Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tamam Hisabullah and my name is 241511027. I am from Teknik Informatika D3 and from class 1A. Okay. Here I am making this video for my English assignment. The assignment is about introducing myself and describing something, like describing peoples, describing thing, and describing a place. Well, that's three for the describing. Okay, before we go to describing something, I'll introduce myself first. Okay, my name is Tamam Hisabullah like before, but uh, the L letter is just one. Okay, because some people uh, write it with two L letter. That was wrong. My name is just have one letter. Okay, I was born in Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. I am live in GBI residence, Buah Batu. It was near Bojong Soang too, if you know, or Bala Endah. Well, it was near, or maybe Al Jabar. It was near too. Okay. Then uh, there was a different about my address. My home was like before in GBI, but in my identity card it was in Jalan Lebak, Jalan Jakarta, or what you know is Kircon, Kiara Condong. Well, there, the address in my identity card. Okay, I was born from father and mother, of course. My father name is Yaya Sulaiman. He was a PNS, and my mother is Yuke Baraja. He was a home mother. Yes, she was not work or something. I was born at Al Islam Hospital. It was in Soekarno Hatta Street. Okay. Uh, to the next topic. Uh, place, not place over, like I was already saying it. Goals. Okay, my goals is one to make a game uh, in application for PC, web, web, yeah, website game, or maybe a mobile apps. I want to make a game because my hobbies is playing a game. Okay, I was uh, a big fan of Pokemon. I love every Pokemon game. I'm very like it. Uh, then my past academic, I am from SMK Negeri 13 Bandung Vocational High School. Okay, uh, it was in Soekarno Hatta Street too, and my school was side by side from SMK 9, vocational too, right? Okay, that was, and uh, I don't have any experience in organization in school, like if it was OSIS or MPK. Yes, I am not joining any of that, but if it was ex school, I was in drawing ex school before, but it was in academic. Okay, then uh, what English? Yes, maybe, but it was just in a short time. And Rohis, well, yes, in SMP I was a Rohis too. I was joining Rohis. Then for my what dreams in life, dream in life, I want to visit Japan at least once in my life. Then I want to have a proper work, like have a good salary, good environment, yes, a good boss, like that. Okay, maybe just that for introducing myself. uh, Move to the next topic. I'll describing a person, and the person that I choose is Rowan Sebastian Atkinson. Okay, or Rowan Atkinson. He was born at 6 January 1955 in Cosset, Country Durham, English. Durham, English. English. Okay, he was an actor, comedian, and a writer. Okay, uh, he was have a wife. Uh, the first wife, well, he have two wife. The first wife is Sunetra Sastry, married at 1990, and divorced at 2015. Yeah, 20, 215, 215. I don't know. And married again with Louis Ford at 2017. Until now, uh, he was still with Louis Ford. Then he has several kids. Well, from Sunetra Sastry, he have two child. Okay, two, yes, it was Benjamin Alexander Sebastian Atkinson and Lily Grace Atkinson. Then he has a child again, some child again from Louis Ford. The name is Isla Atkinson. Okay, he was born from Eric Atkinson as the father and Ella May Bainbridge as a mother. Some of uh, his famous work was Mr. Bean, as you know, and Blackadder. Yes, Blackadder. So yes, it was very popular series, especially for Mr. Bean. Who didn't know Mr. Bean? Okay, like it was very very entertaining. I was very like it too. Then he has several achievements. Okay, like Westlight Entertainment Performance at BAFTA TV Award at 1990. Well, yeah, okay. Then Best Foreign TV Personality Male at Aftonbladet TV Prize in Sweden uh, uh, at 1994, 1996, and 1998. Wow, three. That was very much a lot for an achievement. Then writing and entertainment special at Cable Ace Award at 1993. Well, that was okay. Terus Humanitarian Award at Ethnic Multicultural Media Awards at 2015. 215. I don't know lah. Well, that's the point lah. You know what I mean, right? And YouTube Creator Award at YouTube Creator Award in 2018 or 218. And he was from Technic Electro in Newcastle University at 2022. What okay, okay. And yeah, he was an inspirative, like he can entertain people just with his move and not saying anything. It was very good for me. Next, I'll describing a thing. Okay. Well, there's a lot of thing that I can use because there is no specification about what thing that you need to use here. So I'll use this Nintendo Switch. Okay, for a gamer or someone that have playing game hobby, they must be familiar with this thing. Okay, well, Nintendo Switch was very famous back in 2018. Well, it was nine 9 years ago. Like yes, okay, and it was still how can I say it? Still optimal for use for some games, but okay, because with this game development nowadays, it was not very compatible again with some games, like it was very laggy or something like that, but it was still okay for me, especially especially because I love Pokemon game, and Pokemon game was not that uh, not not need that high specification. Okay, uh, I'll describe some Nintendo Switch specification. Yeah, something like that lah. Well, the size for a Nintendo Switch approximately like 4 inch for the height and 9.4 inch for the long. Okay, height, long. Okay, then have 0.5 inch deep, and that was included with the joystick. Okay, so the deep is like, if this is the monitor, like nah here. Okay, then the weight is well, approximately like 0.66 lbs, like, well, it was 300 300 how can I say it, gram, 300 gram for the gram that. Then for the screen is multi touch captive touch screen. Okay, and it was a specification like 6.2 inch LCD screen. Okay, and it was for the resolution is 1280 and 700 to 20. Okay, the GPU it was Nvidia, and it was custom because Nintendo, bro, a big company. The storage is 22 gigabyte of internal, but the user can expand the storage until 2 terabyte, and that was sold separately. So yeah, it was, how can I say it, extension outside the Nintendo. Then the video output was up to 1080 via HDMI in TV mode, and for the screen, for tabletop mode and handheld mode was 220. Oh, well, it was okay for a game. Well, yes, that. Then the speaker was stereo. Then it has a USB connector, and the USB was Type C, used for charging or for connecting to the Nintendo Switch dock. Okay, then what again, Well, the game card slot was custom, of course, Nintendo, bro. And for the price, it was approximate like to 2 million until 5 million, if I not wrong, in rupiah. Okay. Next to the describing place. Well, for my hometown was Bandung. Well, it was a very good place with fresh air, but in the city was, lah, smoke everywhere, not very fresh air like that. Then what again? Uh, what in Bandung? Well, for a place to visit in Bandung, maybe I can say it like in Lembang. Well, it was very good to Lembang, but it was very crowded at vacation time or weekend. It was very crowded, so I don't recommend that. But maybe you can go to Pangalengan if you want to uh, visit another place, I think. Well, Pangalengan was a good place too, still more fresh. But if you want to go to Pangalengan, keep remind this: if if you are past 12 p.m. in there, uh, there were not there. Well, rain very usually rain start after 12 p.m. there. Okay, so make sure you in car, if you use a car. If you use a motorcycle, then uh, maybe you can resting first. Yes, like that. Okay, then for a place I want to visit, well, if Indonesia, maybe I want to visit what, some place that museum, but focused focus for the astronomy thing, like, yes, I I'm pretty like astronomy too. Then if it was in another country, maybe I want to visit Japan, maybe like, I want to go Poké Center there. I love Pokemon so much, bro. I want to buy a Pokemon plushie, maybe there. It was very interesting for me. Pokemon card, maybe. Pokemon card, very interesting. Like, the Pokemon card was still good. Okay, like you can play it too, and it have a tournament too. So it was pretty interesting. Then maybe I want to visit it in spring season, because I want to see sakura too, sakura flower. It was very interesting. Or where maybe mm, Mount Mounting in Japan, maybe it was pretty interesting. Like, it was still fresh, the air there was pretty fresh too. So yeah, almost here ini. Then what again in Japan? Oh, Tokyo Sky Tree. Well, I'm afraid of height, honestly, but I want to see Tokyo Sky Tree. At least I want to go to the up in there and see Japan from there. Maybe not Japan, but Tokyo from there. But it was very interesting. Okay, and what else? Well, Omoshire sih menarik lah di sana. So very very interesting there. I want to visit there. But if not Japan, then maybe what I want to visit. Oh, maybe Egypt. I want to see the pyramid. Oh, pyramid. It was interesting too for me. Like the it was the like the rock is very how can I say it, hard to pick pick up it. Okay, like yeah. So so how people in then do that? Okay, like how can they lift up the stone and make that? Okay, very interesting lah for me. Yeah, maybe that from me. Sorry if my English is so bad. And there's a lot uh, wrong wrong pronunciation. Yes, that's from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.